Hello and welcome to this LS1 demonstration video about connecting a Dallas key authentication to make logging in and out of the POS quick and easy. Employees each have their key, which they put on a little magnetic pad, and when the key touches the pad, the user is logged in. And when the key is removed from the pad, the user is instantly logged out. Here you can see the magnetic pad, and this is the key here that employees have with them. Now, when I put the key on the pad, you can see that the user is instantly logged in. Now, I can create some transaction, and when I take the key off the pad, you can see that the user is logged out. And when I put the key back on the pad, the user is logged back in and the transaction stays as it is. I hope you found this video helpful and informing. More information about authentication tokens and setup of the Dallas key can be found on our online help at help.ls1.com. Thank you.